Right, guys, so we're back with another video. This is a very strange video today. Yeah, guys, 1 second. Just closing the door, okay? Right, anyway, I just thought of it. We were just going to IKEA. Yeah, guys, so let's just get into this. So, we were going to IKEA. Don't really know why. Just it's pretty far from where we live. But anyway, so it took a while to get us here. But we just thought to get like petrol or something or put bottles away. It's taking like a few hour drive or something. But anyway, I just took this video. It's quite funny. There is just like a ton of seagulls. Like, see, there's bread there behind that right there. Yeah. But anyway, guys, so yeah, it's just that's how I found out of this video, like did this video. It's a bit of a weird one, but let's get into this. So this is what a seagull is. You probably know what a seagull is. Quite a lot about them on like news or stuff because like they've been stealing people's food. But anyway, there's this article or something I found. Someone's gran was given a black eye at seagull attack. Here it is. An elderly was had fight off a vicious seagull after it swooped down. Yeah, so she went shopping, and then the seagull just attacked her. She had two grandkids. She was telling people not to feed the seagulls, and it's just people are not supposed to feed them, but when the day trippers come in, they feed them fish and blah blah blah, and oh damn, so that seagull so scared her, so feeding seagulls, and so you have to pay £100 if someone sees you feeding a seagull. Residents control seagull attacks and cancel. Blah blah blah. Anyway, so I just saw that. Now going over to the wiki. I don't really know why I made this video, but anyway, seagull lyrics here for the users. For other users, seagull this blah 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 and seagull this blah blah blah. Anyway, so it's got a picture of one here. Temporary range, early blah blah. So gulls or seagulls are seabirds of the family Laridae. In the suburb Laridae, they are most closely related to the terns family Sternidae and only distantly related to ox swimmers, I don't know what they are, and more distantly to the waders. Until the 20th century, most gulls were placed in genus Larus, but this arrangement is now considered polyphyletic, leading to reconstruction of several genera. An older name for gulls is Meuse. Cognate with German, blah Dutch, blah French, certain. So it's basically telling you all about seagulls. You can just search up seagulls, and the first link for that will be there. I don't know why I made this. I tried to do something different. So basically, seagulls. Right. So images, gulls. Gulls or seagulls are seabirds of the family. I've already written down. Scientific name. Right, so what if I put this into the search? Hello. Well, it comes up with the same thing. So, Laridae has family seabirds and other blah 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 gulls and swimmers. Right, so does it still have the same like images? Oh, so coming out with this, I don't know if that's actual family, but anyway, jeez, why did I make this video?